Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one from the Nadula hair. Alright, so I am back with another headband wig from Nadula hair, and I'm actually really excited about this one. I don't mind doing the headband wigs if they come in a different color, and we love sex and magic, so why not come through with another headband unit that provides all of that. So here we are with a 24-inch burgundy headband wig, okay, from Nadula hair. This hair is beautiful, like really pretty. Let's get into the cap. Oh, she is thick. That's nice. Oh, I wish y'all could feel this. This is nice. Let me push it up on y'all so y'all can go ahead, feel her. Feel her now. She is nice. Okay, so let's get into our cap construction. She has 2 combs, 1 large comb at the top, okay, 1 large comb at the bottom, adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever, as well as the adjustable band, okay. So let me give you a full look. Now, she does give you a little bit of a darker root at the top, okay, and then she fades into that 99J. So we're going to throw her on and see what she's working with. All right, my love, let's get on into this headband wig. Now, we have this Nadula hair bone straight T99J wig in 24 inches, and she is going for currently just under $220 on nadulahair.com. Now, this is a classic headband wig. It has a standard cap. The density is about 150%. And mother is thick. And for it to be bone straight hair, I'm really surprised that she has not tangled. She did not shed at all. This is some of the most beautiful human hair that I've touched in a minute. And I really, really do appreciate that. This Nadula hair, like, really genuinely does not come to play with the kids, okay? But this time they really showed out. Now, the cap for me was a little bit big, and because of that, I do think that I'm going to have to secure her in a different way other than using the Velcro straps. I might have to add a little bit of bobby pins or whatever the case may be, but this is such an easy slay. Like, all you guys have to do is lay your edges, throw her on, and go. Now, a lot of people are impartial to the headband wigs, but I cannot be impartial to the ease of headband wigs. Now, we have done quite a few of these, but I must say the hair on this unit, okay, makes her worth every single last penny. Now, I want you guys to check out Nadula hair, because not only are they fire, but they are always running a sale, so you always can get something, you know what I mean, for the low, all right? And we got to make sure that we take advantage of that. Now, this hair is super quick. It's super fire. I want you guys to check them out, and let's get on into styling her down. Nadula hair did not come to play with us. I'm really obsessed with this unit. I want to give you guys all the inches, so I'm just going to move it back. There you go, so you can get all of it. This hair is stunning. Look at how she's moving. Like, I can't. Let me tell you something. So this is the second or third unit we've had from Nadula hair, and I don't know if y'all sleeping on them. I don't know what it is, but this is some fire hair. Like, consistently, they have given me bomb units. I really am like, like, I cannot be more excited about this unit. Like, I really love this. And at first, when I started doing like the burgundy color, I was a little bit impartial to it. I'm a brown girl, so I'm always looking for styles that kind of compliment me or whatever the case may be. But this unit is so bomb. I think that it would compliment just about anybody. Like, I really do. Now, again, this unit is very big head friendly. Like, very, very big head friendly, okay? To the point where I personally kind of want to put some pins in it to make sure that she's like secure on my head. And that does give you a little bit more room to bring her up, especially if you're a small head person like me. I probably should bring her up a little bit further. But Mother is providing. I really, really, really am feeling this, and I hope you guys are too. This unit is so bomb. Like, I like this. Like, a lot. And I'm really surprised. I don't know why I'm so surprised, but I am. So if you have not already, bust down, get into Nadula here, see what they're working with, especially because we have Black Friday coming up, so we want to make sure that, you know, we saving some coins, okay? And I will see you beautiful mugs later. Do not forget to bust down, subscribe to this channel, okay, and join our support group, and I'll see you beautiful mugs later.